Aloha, I'm Kiana Cayabyab, and you're watching Star News Live. Here are today's top Hawaii headlines from the editors at the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Students enrolled in the University of Hawaii system this fall must be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 if they want to attend in-person classes. UH officials announced today that the new requirement will take effect when at least one of the 3 COVID-19 vaccines currently approved for emergency use has been fully licensed by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. That approval is expected by this summer. UH President David Lassner said the decision was not made lightly and that fully vaccinated campuses provide the best opportunity for high-quality, face-to-face teaching, learning, and research. Unvaccinated UH students will still be able to enroll in online courses and participate in student activities virtually. Hundreds of other universities and colleges across the country are also requiring students to be vaccinated, including the University of California and California State University. Governor David Ige says the state will soon be reinstating the requirements that people receiving unemployment benefits must search for a job. The job search requirement had been suspended during the pandemic due to safety concerns. But Governor Ige told the Star-Advertiser Spotlight Hawaii this morning that he would soon be announcing changes to the state's rules and that searching for a job will once again be required. Ige also said on the show that parents will again be allowed to attend their children's outdoor sporting events, and the governor expressed support for the University of Hawaii's new requirement that students must be fully vaccinated in order to attend in-person classes. But he said a similar rule will not be possible for Hawaii's public K-12 schools. To watch the entire Spotlight Hawaii interview, visit Star-Advertiser.com or go to the Star-Advertiser's Facebook page. Hawaii health officials reported 83 new coronavirus infections today, bringing the state's total number of cases since the start of the pandemic to 33,834. No new fatalities were reported today, so Hawaii's virus-related death toll remains at 492. Today's new infection cases include 62 on Oahu, 8 on Maui, 7 on the Big Island, and 6 Hawaii residents diagnosed outside the state. About 1.4 million vaccination shots have been administered so far in Hawaii, and more than half of the state's population has received at least one shot. State officials also reported 2 new virus hospitalizations today, and they said there are currently 1,120 active infections in Hawaii. Honolulu prosecutors have charged a 45-year-old convicted felon with attempted murder after he allegedly set another man on fire in downtown Honolulu. William Del Michael Woods was charged with second-degree attempted murder and is being held without bail. Police said the suspect poured an accelerant on a 39-year-old man and ignited it at about 5:45 a.m. Wednesday. The victim is a homeless man who was sleeping in the doorway of the Si Dai Du Society building at 1300 Pali Highway. He suffered life-threatening burns and was taken in critical condition to a hospital. Police said the suspect and victim know each other. Woods has a criminal record of 8 felony convictions for burglary, kidnapping, robbery, assault, sex assault, and terroristic threatening. Finally, Hawaiian Airlines continues to experience intermittent issues with its online reservation systems after an unexpected surge in demand to book travel. A banner on Hawaiian's website today says our contact center is experiencing extended wait times to speak to a representative due to a high volume of calls. A banner also says the airline is working to resolve intermittent issues with the login for Hawaiian Miles accounts. The company said customers could still search and book flights. However, some customers have reported problems. Hawaiian first notified Hawaiian Miles members of the problems on Friday. For more on these stories and all the latest headlines, subscribe to the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Visit Hawaii's top source for breaking news online at Star-Advertiser.com and download the Star-Advertiser mobile app. Mahalo, have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.